In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make distribution sheet in Zoho CRM. To get started, you will be working inside your Zoho CRM settings, where the automation features live. This is where you set up assignment rules that can automatically distribute records to the right people or teams. When you open your Zoho CRM dashboard, look for the gear icon, usually found near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click Settings, the gear icon, to open the configuration area. Once the Settings menu is open, you are ready to find the automation tools that control how records are assigned. In the Settings area, look for a section called Automation. Click Automation so you can access the options related to rules and workflows. This step matters because distribution sheet behavior is tied directly to assignment automation. Next, inside the Automation section, you will focus specifically on Assignment. Find and click Assignment, then you should see an area where you can set up assignment rules. This part is important because it is where you define when and how records get routed. Now you will create the actual rule. Click Create Assignment Rules to begin the setup. After you start creating a new assignment rule, Zoho will ask you to select the module. The module is the type of record you want the rule to apply to, such as leads, contacts, or deals, depending on how your CRM is organized. Select the module on the screen, then confirm that it is the one you intend to distribute. After selecting the module, you will need to give the rule a clear, descriptive name. In the Rule Name field, enter a name that helps you recognize its purpose later. For example, you might name it something based on the distribution logic you are setting up, like a regional distribution or team routing. Once you have entered the rule name, you can move forward by clicking Next. At this point, Zoho will bring you to the step where you define the assignment criteria. The assignment criteria are what determines which records match the rule. Take a moment to review the options you are seeing on screen. Choose the conditions that should trigger the assignment, such as specific field values or other matching information tied to the module you selected. This is the core logic of your distribution setup, so make sure the criteria reflect your real business process. When you finish setting the assignment criteria, you will be asked to choose who receives the records. Look for the option to select the user or team to assign records to. This is where you direct the matching records to the correct owner. Select the appropriate user or team depending on how your organization manages responsibilities. If you want distribution across a group, selecting a team is typically the best choice. If you want records to go to a specific person, select that user instead. After you have selected the user or team, you are almost done. The final step is to save your work so the rule becomes active and usable by Zoho CRM. Click Save to store the assignment rule configuration. Once you click Save, take a brief moment to confirm that the rule appears correctly in the assignment rules list, with the name you entered and the module you selected. If there are any prompts or confirmations after saving, follow them as needed. Then you can continue setting up additional rules if you have more distribution scenarios. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.